A Nairobi court has convicted two social workers, Selina, Adundo and Fred Leparan, for trafficking 3 infants 3 years ago at Mama Lucy Kibaki Hospital. The prosecution told the court that between March 1st, 2020 and November 16th, 2020 at Mama Lucy Kibaki Hospital in Embakasi Central within Nairobi, jointly with others not before the court, they conspired to commit a felony, namely trafficking person. Magistrate Esther Kimilu finding that the two acted in a disregard of social workers' ethics. The magistrate took note of a documentary by the British Broadcasting Corporation's TV BBC, saying it was evident from the video that there was talk of children between Fred, the whistleblower, and Rose, who had posed as the buyer of the children. During the hearing, a witness narrated how Fred Leparan took 300,000 shillings from a journalist in an illegal sale of abandoned babies at the hospital. Leparan had asked the woman named as Rose the gender she preferred, to which she replied that she did not matter, adding that she wanted a healthy child. Leparan was asked by the BBC reporter who had pretended to be a buyer whether the baby was healthy, and he replied that he was, thereby confirming his intent to steal and sell the child.
I am of the view that first accused person, knowing very well that Rose and the whistleblower or the driver of the said motor vehicle were not employees or representatives of Imani Children's Home, he fraudulently and without consideration of his ethics, he confers children or transfers children to people who are not representatives of the children's home, and therefore the whole process was by means of fraud, because accused person knew very well that in as much as these children are indicated that they are added to Imani Children's Home, they were not added there. My conclusion is that the two accused persons, knowing that they had a duty of care of these 3 children, they neglected their duty, exposed these children to abuse jointly, and they failed to protect them. And therefore, Selina and Makala Fred are guilty of the offense of child neglect as